Wayne asked, will Adegen help to regrow hair that are on the sides? So, guys, I thought this was a great question because, there's all these products that promise hair growth, and I've tried pretty much all of them, and I spent years and years falling for all these promises that left me feeling hopeless and depressed, and thinking that there was never going to be a solution to hair loss. And the reason why Adegen is so successful and so effective, um, it's not necessarily that we're regrowing your hair. All these, products, minoxidil. I do like minoxidil. I think there's definitely benefits to minoxidil, but all these other products that talk about, hair growth, the secret is not necessarily growing the hair. The body is naturally designed to grow hair. That's not the problem. But what if you stop the cause of if you stop the problem, that's causing that restriction of blood flow, the hair will naturally grow, because if you take care of the hair follicle and get the hair follicle health right, the hair, you're going to have thick, healthy hair. So just like when we were all really young and we didn't have any issues, that's just because our hair follicles were healthy. So yes, Adegen works for the entire scalp. And the hair on the sides, a lot of people call that like diffuse thinning, and where your hair just gets thinner overall. I think you saw a couple pictures like that. I think Farzad was showing how you could see how his hair was just thinning. But by really being aggressive, your whole hair health, the hair of your, or excuse me, the health of your entire hair will be better. It'll be thicker. So absolutely, hairline, crown, the sides, the whole enchilada.